Hello people, I was thinking to publish another interesting video tutorial for you and to show you how to drill holes, how I will be drilling holes in object. But first of all, I was thinking to assign a quickly material. Okay, because I didn't add material. And after that, and I will quickly get back to you in a minute. We also need to make object transparent before we drill holes. See-through. This option is perfect if you want to see where to cut polygon, when to cut holes in polygon. Something isn't. Oh, I think I'm okay with that. I check if my edges are properly selected. Correct. In both sides. Oh no, I will probably have to get rid of. I will have to get rid of this. Remove it. Remove it. Because I think the only thing is I will have to draw another curve. Another polygon line, sorry people. Another polygon line. It must be in the same place. It matches perfectly. I think you will have to have points selected from both sides in order to bevel. Sometimes chamfer crashes. I don't need this at the moment because I have another idea what to do. But I'm thinking, because this is actually quite interesting to see that option. I thought I would see, oh, actually I can do that. This is not too bad. And at the end, I will probably smooth my polygons. You can use bridge at the same time when you are in border selection, because this makes things easy. I was thinking to move a little bit further. Oh no, my material behaves strange. I think there's option which will allow you to manipulate your polygon. Where did you see this? Preserve UVs. So your texture will not be affected when you work with polygons like that. I have to smooth it out in a minute. But I didn't use UV unwrap yet. Please make sure you save your work before you do something else, because sometimes that application crashes when you don't save your work. I think I was thinking to apply chamfer. It is not perfect what you see, because I know I can apply another method. select that, and you have like ring selection. You can convert to faces, and when you hold the control and arrow which goes up, and you can select like that, and you can smooth this out by using MS Smooth. But I still have to correct my polygons. You can see we drilled holes in our polygon, and what I will quickly have to fix polygon. I was thinking to switch to performance view, or because there's option like instead of standard performance, but something is not right because it is little bit too bright. But you can see edges back there. This may take a while. I think I should be okay with that. The only issue is I don't like when I see this. I think I will have to fix that by angle. What about if I cannot apply this? Or make planner works good, because that polygon wasn't looking right. But I can't do that. I will have to deselect. Oh no. Why I can't deselect this? Wait a minute. No, this is not. Ah, okay. I forgotten to deselect option by angle. Sorry, I forgotten. Oh, I can't do that. Hey, wait a minute. I will check smooth modifier. Mm. No, something is not okay because we shouldn't have this. I think I will have to add extra edge, and this artifact will disappear. Sometimes you have to have a proper number of edges for polygon to work properly, because sometimes it's not good enough. Or this issue disappeared. Okay, smoothing groups. Now our polygon looks okay. And I hope you like my video tutorial how to drill holes in polygon. I think frontal polygon you can fix. Okay, I think I can show you. Because if you don't like having too many number of edges, you can still clean this up, and I will show you quick technique what to do if you want to get rid of those edges. At least you can turn option see through to see, and you can even use mirror. Okay, when you hold the control, you also remove unnecessary points. I hope you like my video tutorial, because it is always good to have good technology, especially when you work with complex objects. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.